Disclaimer: before we begin, please note the following important points. Only a PayPal business account can be connected to your Sellora seller account. Once a PayPal account is connected, it cannot be disconnected or changed, so please make sure you add the correct account carefully. Sellora or any Sellora employee will never ask for your OTP, password, or PayPal account credentials. For your security, never share your OTP or login details with anyone. Welcome to this Sellora tutorial video. In this video, we will learn how to connect a new PayPal account to your seller account, how to connect an existing PayPal account to your seller account, how to connect PayPal for returns in your seller account. Let's start with connecting a new PayPal account to your seller account. First, visit your seller dashboard. Go to Settings and then open the Onboarding dashboard. Now go to the Get Paid section. Click on Connect PayPal. You will be redirected to the official PayPal website. Enter your email ID, select your country, and click Next. You will now be redirected to the PayPal business account creation page. Fill in the required details and create your PayPal account. Once the process is completed, you will be redirected to the Sellora permission page to connect your PayPal account with your Sellora seller account. Click Allow. Your PayPal account is now successfully connected to your Sellora seller account. Now let's see how to connect an existing PayPal account to your seller account. Again, start by visiting your seller dashboard. Go to Settings and then open the Onboarding dashboard. Navigate to the Get Paid section and click Connect PayPal. You will be redirected to the official PayPal website. Enter your email ID, select your country, and click Next. You will now be redirected to the PayPal login page. Enter your password and click Login. PayPal may ask you to confirm your identity. Enter the OTP sent to your registered device. After verification, you will be redirected to the Sellora permission page. Click Allow to connect your PayPal account. Your existing PayPal account is now connected to your Sellora seller account. Now your PayPal account is connected, but to fully activate your selling account, you also need to connect PayPal for returns. Here's how you can do it. To connect PayPal for returns, you'll need your client ID and secret. Just click the PayPal button on this page, and you'll be automatically redirected to PayPal login page. Once you're on PayPal, follow these steps. Step 1. Go to your PayPal dashboard. First, log into your PayPal account. Once you're inside, you'll arrive at your PayPal dashboard, where you can access all your account settings and tools. Step 2. Click on Developer Mode. On the top menu, look for the Developer Mode icon marked as. Clicking this will take you to PayPal's developer settings where integrations and API tools are managed. Step 3. Switch to Live Mode. Inside Developer Mode, you'll see two options, Sandbox and Live. Make sure you select Live Mode. Step 4. Go to API and Credentials. Once you're in Live Mode, navigate to the section named API and Credentials. This is where PayPal stores your unique identification keys used to connect your PayPal account with platforms like Sellora. Step 5. Copy your client ID and secret. You will now see two important items, client ID and secret. Copy both of these carefully. These are your secure API details that allow Sellora to process return payments. Step 6. Paste them back on Sellora. Return to the Sellora setup page. Paste the client ID and secret key into the required fields and click Submit. That's it. Once submitted, your PayPal for returns will be successfully connected, and your Sellora selling account will be fully activated.
Thanks for watching. For more such videos, like this video and subscribe to our channel.